Hello traders and welcome. This is my trading forecast for 31st of March, Monday. And now I will start with the UK oil. UK oil daily time frame, which liquidity zones I will use from this and last week here. Okay, so what we have? We have two buy-side liquidity zones from Thursday and from Friday, and one sell-side liquidity zone from Monday. Let's jump to the 1 hour time frame to adjust the lines. This one is okay, this one is okay, and this one here is okay. And and from the Friday daily bar I will use the Fibonacci retracement, bullish Fibonacci, bearish Fibonacci, prices under the 50 and 61.8 zone, so it is a valid. And I will waiting price to reach one of these zones in Monday in the trading session. Next is US oil. Same and here, liquidity zones from this Friday daily bar. We have one sell side liquidity from Monday and buy side liquidity from the Friday daily bar. Only these two zones here. Again, adjusting the lines. This one is here, this one is here. Bearish Fibonacci. Price is under these two zones, so it is a valid. And like UK oil, waiting price to reach one of these zones here. That's it for the oil. The first Forex pair that I will analyze is EURJPY. EURJPY here I will use the simple moving average 20 to determine the trend. We have uptrend as you can see, so I'm looking uptrend. I'm looking for only for sell side liquidity zones. There is only one valid liquidity zone, this one from Thursday. Let's see where it is on the 1 hour time frame here. And now I expect price to reach this zone to form reversal structure and to enter with a buy trade here. That's it for EURJPY. GBPJPY, next pair. Again, we have the uptrend on the daily time frame, looking for sell side liquidity from the bullish daily bars. First one is this one from Monday. Next is this one from Wednesday, and the last one, very close to each other, is the liquidity from the Thursday daily bar. On the 1 hour time frame, again you can see how close these two liquidity zones are. That means that here we have big potential for reversal. Of course, if the price reach these zones, we will see. Or maybe to break through these two and to reach this one here, and then to form reversal structure. Nobody knows what will happen. Okay, the next pair is USD JPY. Again, on the daily time frame we have uptrend, prices above the simple moving average 20, and I find only one valid sell side liquidity from Monday again. These two here were taken from the Friday daily bar. This one here is invalid because this bar is touching the moving average. For my strategy, this is invalid bar. That's the reason why I will use only this one here. And again, waiting for reversal structure when the price hit this zone. Next pair is AUDJPY. Again, after this very strong bearish bar in Friday, we are still in uptrend, but we don't have any liquidity zones. Why? Because this one and this one were taken from this Friday bar, and this one again is invalid because it's touching the moving average. So from AUDJPY, in my opinion, in Monday we don't have any trading setups. And the last Forex pair that I will look at is CADJPY. Again, uptrend. And again, only one sell side liquidity zone from Monday daily bar. These two are invalid. These two were taken from this Friday daily bar. So we have only this one zone. That's it with my trading forecast. Now let's see what we have from the investing part. Here I will use the 4 stochastics on the daily and the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we have here. Okay, starting with gold. On the 4-hour, you can see that the price is oversold from this 80 line. So I expect soon price to reverse and to start falling. Same story, and from the daily, waiting for reversals. Silver, similar like gold, price is overbought on the 4-hour, on the daily, again overbought. Bitcoin is the next 4-hour. We have a little downtrend from the 4-hour. You can see one of the stochastics already crossed this 20 line, indicates that maybe we can wait for buys, but still these three are not in this zone. On the daily, price is between the oversold and overbought zones. So for Bitcoin, still nothing, no signals for buy or sell. Ethereum, first on the 4-hour, very strong downtrend here. 1, 2, three of the stochastics under 20 line, waiting for this one, and then I will look at this crypto carefully. If the price goes below this 10 line in the oversold zone, from where I will looking for buys. And on the daily, you can see that three of the stochastics were in the oversold zone, indicates at the same time, let me show you, change in the trend, here, 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 even this one here, from bearish to bullish signal, but this stochastics line here was not in the oversold zone. That's the reason why I didn't buy the Ethereum here. Still waiting price to come back to this oversold zone and then to buy. Vanguard S&P 500. I've already made some investments here from Friday 7th of March. I already show you this. Oversold, all stochastics, change in trend. Then again, in Monday 10th of March, oversold, change in trend. Again in Wednesday, and again in Tuesday. Overall, here and even now, for me, is a good time to invest in Vanguard S&P 500 on the 4-hour time frame. On the daily, nothing interesting. Next is Vanguard FTSE All World. Nothing on the daily. Price was in the oversold conditions with two of the stochastics. But on the 4-hour, again, we have a signal for buy here from Tuesday. All stochastics oversold, change in the trend, good time to buy again in Tuesday, in Thursday, I'm sorry, good time to buy. You can see where is the price at the moment. Still is good time to invest some money in this ETF, of course, in my opinion. Vanguard Japan stocks. On the 4-hour, price was overbought. Now it's starting to fall down. On the daily, still very strong, in a very strong uptrend. No signals for investing here. iShares India stocks. On the 4-hour, we've got signal here. You can see all stochastics oversold, change in the trend, good time to invest. You can see where the price is at the moment. On the daily, all stochastics were in the oversold zone, but here three of them indicated change in the direction, but this one delays with 1 day. So I didn't invest here, but I did on the 4-hour. iShares Swiss stocks. They are in very strong uptrend, still in very strong uptrend. No signs for sell. No signs for buy. You can see that the stochastics lines are far away from the oversold zone. On the daily, same situation. Next is iShares Infotech sector from S&P 500 on the 4-hour. We have got a signal here from Friday 7th of March. All stochastics oversold, change in the trend. Time to invest here. Well, at the moment price is under this signal, so it's still a good chance to invest in this ETF. But I prefer to wait again stochastics to go in this zone and then to invest again. And from the daily, nothing interesting here. All stochastics are over this oversold zone here. Now let's look at the stocks which I like. Apple is the first one. On the 4-hour, nothing. Price was in the oversold zone, but without investing signal. Still waiting for new one. On the daily, nothing interesting. Google fall down very strongly, but still waiting for oversold on the 4-hour and on the daily. Home Depot, I already showed you last week that from Home Depot we find a signal here from Monday 17th of March. Oversold from the 4 stochastics, change in the trend here. Good time to invest in Home Depot. And on the daily, without signals, Johnson & Johnson is the next stock that I will look at. 4-hour, still nothing. Price is far away from these zones here. On the daily, same thing. Coca-Cola, nothing from 4-hour time frame, nothing from daily. MasterCard, still very strong uptrend, 4-hour and daily. Microsoft, well, for Microsoft, price was oversold with only 3 of the stochastics, so for me no investing signals here. Still waiting to fall down even more. On the daily, same picture, waiting to reach this oversold zone. PepsiCo, nothing in here. Procter & Gamble, nothing in here. Reckitt Benckiser, still in very strong uptrend from the daily and from the 4-hour. Unilever, same story, and here on the daily and 4-hour. For Unilever, we've got a good buy signal here from Wednesday 19th of February. I missed this investing. Oversold those stochastics, change in trend at the same time. Invest here, and price at the moment is at these levels here. Visa, the next stock, and Visa is in good trend from the 4-hour and from the daily, and the last stock is Walmart. We've got a fall down on the daily, but still no signs for buys. On the 4-hour, from the other hand, 3 of the stochastics were in the oversold zone. Now 2 of them are there. I'm waiting and this one to go in this zone, and then waiting for change in the direction and good signs for investing. Well, that's it. This is my trading forecast and my investing ideas for Monday. Thanks for watching and good luck. Goodbye.